I got a story, but it comes with a price. I just paid the rent, but they don't cover the lights. I'm from a single parent home, no single loan. I hustle for every dollar, so singles is all I've known. No such thing as a sweet ghetto, where broken beer bottles cover sidewalks like leaf petals. So welcome to my street meadow, where the angels battle with the devil on a deep level. And cops so persistent to tie us up, but even in the jail system we fly as fuck. Hope the world gets ready, cause I'm rising up. I speak directly to the rebels and the riders. Yeah, yo, I'm living my dream, but at the same time I got a vivid little scheme. I'm walking through the dirt trying to find me a pearl. You give me $1, I give you the world.